Financial expert Mr. Ramalingam has joined us today. Sir, what advice would you give to someone who wants to book profits in mutual funds?
Booking profit comes from different perspectives. Say, do you have to book profit is the first question you have to ask. Say, as I told you, like without disturbing, if you leave it as such, 1 rupee is becoming 56. Why you have to book profit is the first question you have to ask. Suppose if you have a goal, which is basically a short-term goal, or you had a long-term goal for 10 years, it has become 7 years now. It has become a short-term goal. Then you have to book profit. Don't look at whether the market is peak, market is down now, book profit now. Because it has become a short-term goal. You are not supposed to keep your short-term money in equities, so you have to book profit there. Also, there is this one more occasion when the market is peaking out and coming out, asset allocation rebalancing is something you have to do. Otherwise, booking profit as a strategy, do you have to do? If you don't have, if your long-term goal is not becoming a short-term goal, don't do it. If the asset is actually a performing asset, it's continue to be a performing asset, it will perform. Why should you book profit? You can leave it as such.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.